So in this problem, we have a gas mixture. It contains oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, and it has a total pressure of 257 mmHg. And then it has all these other numbers, this PO2, PN, and it's asking what PCO2 means. Each of these three values represent partial pressures. And basically what a partial pressure is, it's a part of the total pressure. So when we flip over our periodic tables to look at our formulas under the section titled Behavior of Gases, there is only one formula, and it's actually the first one, that only contains pressures in it. So here is that formula you will see. Now, on the back of your periodic table, you probably will see 1, 2, and 3 listed down, but in this case, I went ahead and substituted the 1s, 2s, and 3s with the actual formula of the gases being represented. Keep in mind it doesn't matter what order you put them in because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in some numbers, and since the total pressure is pretty obvious in this problem, I can put 257 mmHg as my total pressure, and total pressure can also represent the atmospheric pressure. And then I have my partial pressure of CO2, which is what I'm solving for. Here is that pressure of oxygen in the problem. Here's the pressure of nitrogen. Basically what this formula tells us, and this is called Dalton's law. Basically what Dalton's law tells us is that since the atmosphere contains so many different kinds of gases, like lots of nitrogen, some oxygen, tiny bit of carbon dioxide, since the atmosphere contains all those different gases, each individual pressure of the gases can actually be added together to equal out the total pressure. So that's what this formula represents. And now we just do some simple algebra. We're solving for the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, and since it's being added to 52 and being added to 171, we're basically going to subtract 52 plus 171 from both sides of the equation, leaving us with 34 millimeters mercury, which is our final answer. If you're not very good at algebra, a good practice is always to take that answer and substitute it back into the problem. Add 34 plus 52 plus 171 and make sure that you can get to 57 mmHg.